How to apply first order coupon on Shein. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can apply first order coupon on Shein, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have registered on Shein for the first time, you most likely get a first coupon code which you can use to make an order, and you have different type of options for this. So I'm a new user on Shein. I have not yet registered anything, I have not yet ordered anything. When I simply open the app, I should be able to see a pop-up at the top that says new users only. Now depending upon the time you're watching this video, the interface could be a little bit different and it could actually differ. So basically your basic idea here is to simply make sure to look for your first order coupon code. So in my case, I have the free shipping, so this is only for new users. So I'll just tap on it. So let's see what it's going to tell us. So it says welcome to Shein, and then here you can see all the first hand information I can get and all the lucky draw and whatever else I can see over here. So it says you can get 10 points by browsing the page for 30 seconds. So I can just go ahead and select get 10 points here, or I can also choose to get some bonus points such as extra 15% or free standard shipping or first return card or whatever else I actually prefer over here. So I'll just tap on the get button and then just tap on the subscribe button. Now once I've done that, all I can do is I can tap the lucky draw button and then spin the wheel, and then I can also see new arrivals and then so on and so on. Now to apply all this to my product, when I'm buying something, I'm just going to come back, go to my bag icon here, tap the checkout button from the bottom right. Then once I tap the checkout button, here you'll find apply voucher. Tap and apply voucher. You'll be able to see a list of all the vouchers if you're a first time user, and then all you need to do is just select a voucher in this case. Once I select a voucher, and then I just need to tap the apply button here, I'll just select the continue button like this, and I'll get a specific discount based on that voucher. And this is it on how you can apply your first order coupon code on Shein. Hope this video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.